Students missing, Education Ministry trying to locate over 300 absent from class since Hurricane Melissa. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Karine Simpson. Also this evening, 48-hour curfew hits several St. Mary communities, and overnight shelter finally opened for homeless in St. Thomas. There's also Saturday Sports Special in this newscast, so do stay with us. The news in detail right after the break.